Starting with our Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits. First thing you want to do, we're just going to go ahead, we're going to peel off the top layer of biscuit here, just like this. That looks good. And I already went ahead and did that for our other biscuits. And y'all, we are just gonna kind of remove the tops. And y'all, this is just a super easy and absolutely delicious breakfast idea. And I saw it the other day and I really wanted to make it. And I also wanted to pass it along to you guys. Now that we've got our biscuits separated, I'm just gonna use a glass and a little parchment paper. And we are going to just go ahead and press down on these biscuits. Not all of them, just the ones on the outside. You can use cooking spray on your glass, but man, this is perfect, no stick. Now we're gonna come in with our original pre-cooked Jimmy Dean sausage patties. And I'm just gonna place one in each of our biscuits. There we go. So easy. It is perfect for when you're in a hurry, if you're feeding, a couple people, or if you just want to make some breakfast sandwiches to last you the week. This is the way to go. Completely customizable, which is another plus here. All right, now we're gonna keep it easy. We're gonna start with our Cracker Barrel cheddar slices. I'm just gonna give this a quick open. And now we're just gonna layer this right on top of our sausage. And y'all, I'm just gonna do 4 with our cheddar. And then we're gonna add 2 with our Baby Bells. We got 1, absolutely delicious. My father-in-law actually turned me on to them, but there we go. That looks great. All right, and for our last 2, I'm gonna use a little bit of our red raspberry preserves. Y'all, I love the sweet and savory combination here. May not be for everybody, but you know what? Don't knock it till you try it. You can do this with grape jelly, strawberry jelly, but I love raspberry. All right, y'all, that was pretty much it. Now what we're gonna do is just kind of give this a little spin, stretch it out, and we're gonna cover up these biscuits. And we're just gonna pinch them together. All right, y'all, last one. And we are just going to cook these, again, according to directions, so about 15 minutes, 13 to 15 minutes. Obviously the sausage is already cooked. We're just looking to, melt the cheese and cook our little biscuits here. All right, y'all, very, very easy, which is always a plus, and fun, convenient. Let's get this to the oven. Be right back. Told you, let's eat. Definitely want to dive in for one of our Baby Bells. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let's take a look. Oh, y'all, that looks so tasty. Oh, look at that, nice and melty, that cheese. All right, so good. Here we go. Cheers, y'all. This is perfect. So good. All right, but before I let you go, we're gonna try the raspberry preserves one too, right? Oh, look at that. That is a delicious bite. All right, here we go. It's really hot. You get that jelly and biscuits, which I know everybody likes, but then you get that nice savory like sausage taste. Oh my gosh, y'all, both of these are absolute winners. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great one. Oh, so good.